Welcome back to our channel, Boise Cylinder Head Services. We're going to run through our cleaning process. We're going to put these cylinder heads that we tore down in our last video into our wash, glass bead them, get them all cleaned up and ready for the next step of rebuilding these cylinder heads. So we just got to pop them on this cart here and wheel them out back to our washing area. You always want to stay really organized with all your parts every time you do a rebuild, because you don't want to lose anything and not have that when you're going back together. Alright, if you follow me, we'll go out to our washing station. Just through the curtain here. This is where we wash up all our cylinder heads, get all the oil, grease, and grime off of them. This is our washing machine that does all the hard work for us. Set our cylinder heads in there. Caps too. Always remember to wear your safety equipment when out here with all these chemicals. Alright, we're going to turn this thing on, then I'm going to pop these few baskets of other parts down in our trough area here. Be a little noisy. Going to get all the oil and grime off these things. That's what we want before we proceed to glass beater. Now we just got to wait a couple minutes here, maybe 30 seconds or so, to clean up these heads. They weren't in too bad shape to begin with. Then we'll dry them off here in our drying area. Blow out all the water to make sure there's no moisture going into our glass bead machine. Do that now. That stuff's going to be hot and covered with chemical. We usually use a couple rags to handle all that stuff. We'll shake off these heads a little bit, keep all our chemical in our tank. I'm just going to blow all the holes out and get all the moisture off these cylinder heads. It's going to be a little noisy. got those blown off. They're nice and dry. We can move them to our next step, which is our glass bead machine. We're going to leave our stuff in the tank to get nice and clean. We'll come back to those later. So let's pop these back on our cart. We'll roll them over to our glass bead machine. And then you can see what we do in our glass bead machine to get these things cleaned up and ready for the next step. This is our glass bead machine. We got a glass to see in there. We got gloves so we protect our hands. And I'd recommend you always keep your safety glasses on just in case there's any kind of leaks that could get glass bead in your eye, because that would be painful. Alright, here's the inside of our machine. Those are the gloves I was mentioning earlier. This is our nozzle that shoots out our mixture of glass bead and air. And we also got an air nozzle in there to blow it out when we're done. So we'll get these heads in there and start cleaning them up. Alright, we'll turn this thing on and get it started. Pop that in there, we'll be good to go. Alrighty, here we go. Now we can see our cylinder heads pretty much completely cleaned up. There might be a few spots we want to double check and make sure that it looks really clean. I think we got most of the cylinder head here. We'll blow that off and then take it to probably do some guide work on this cylinder head. But you can see a major difference between the cylinder head as far as the before and after goes. We got all that carving out. This thing looks clean, almost like new, I'd say. But we'll just do that to the caps and make them look the same, so we got a nice consistent look for both cylinder heads and cap. And then we'll go outside and take those things out of the wash, rinse them off, and we'll be ready for the next step. So thank you for watching this video. We appreciate your views. Go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell button for notifications. Thank you for watching our video today, and have a great day. Thank you for watching our video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm butchering it. Please subscribe to our channel if you liked our videos. It'll really help our channel out. Hit that ding bell button so you can get our notifications. And go ahead and comment down below on future videos you'd like to see. It's all in your head.